Hey.
Hey.
What are we doing today, Andrew?
We're going on a bike ride.
Troy, come here.
Some of us are going
What
on
are we
a bike
doing
ride.
today?
We're gonna do some riding.
Some of us are riding normal bikes, others are riding electric dirt bikes. It's not going to be that fair.
How's it not that fair? How old are you, big fella?
Get off.
How old are you? No, you tell everybody how old you are.
I'm 26.
And I'm 54.
Warm? Sweet.
Are they?
Thanks, Dad.
That's my Christmas present to myself. We're going to Wes's house. We got to go pick up the idiot. Wes is here. Hi, Wes.
Fiber energy. Hi, Larry.
Hello?
Taylord Fokker, you're coming with us today, right?
That's
You're gonna show us how it's done, baby?
You're gonna show me.
Woo, yeah. All right, let's go.
Take a look here. Andrew clearly doesn't know how to load bikes. I'm gonna slightly blame Troy as well. Little does you know, you're supposed to turn the wheels in the same direction so they both lean.
Yeah, he needs to learn some bike etiquette, don't you think?
But it looks like he's trying to play Bike Cupid over here, has him kissing.
Yeah, it's really embarrassing. What do you think, Wes?
I think I'm ready to ride.
Everybody's ready to ride. What are we eating today after we ride? We got to eat, right, Andrew?
What?
We got to eat after we ride.
We're probably going to have to take me to the hospital.
You think so? It's a good little run.
It's one of my favorite sections of the Green Trail.
I like that. Look, that's a face for radio right there. Right? Only for radio. But this is really a face for radio over here. What are we doing, Wes? Why are we sitting and not riding? T-Money?
You know, have you ever
Taylor?
hated the uphills but loved the downhills?
Go ahead, do the commercial.
Have you ever loved those?
I love them.
See, that's
No,
what this
I
thing...
don't love them.
Oh, you
I'm supposed to not love them,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
What do we
I
both say?
Hey,
Oh, well,
you're not in the commercial!
I'm going to turn it over to my partner here.
Mr. Happy. Go ahead, finish the commercial, Sunshine.
I'm all about the purity of the sport, and I feel like this takes away from it.
Oh,
You
really?
know, I like the burn
Do you?
in
Is
my
that why
thighs.
you threw up
I
back
like
there?
the puke as it
Yeah.
fries my
Esophagus.
Esophageezy. Are you kicking me with your wounded toe?
You know, I know exactly what it means because this is everybody's complaint.
It tears up the trails? Is that?
Not exactly, but for those Strava lovers, they're able to smash their record times.
That's a shame.
Have you ever investigated what happens to the batteries when they put them in landfills when they're done? Totally destroying the earth.
No, I want to save the environment.
That's totally destroying the earth.
See, that's another complaint, but we made these.
Oh, we got a long pause there.
Yeah, I did already.
You did?
You did not.
I did. Chain popped off, I threw up.
What do you think, Wes?
Oh, I'm happy.
Andrew, final thoughts?
Happy.
I'm glad you're happy because I wouldn't want you sad.
Right.
If you don't have like the rebound, I feel like set up or the suspension.
Final
it's
thoughts?
bug, dude.
It's a good time.
Was it?
Yeah, no wrecks.
Always.
Final thoughts? T. Whatever your T
I
is.
get weird in front of cameras.
You're kind of weird.
I turn real mean.